What happened? Oh my goodness. I just want to keep crying. I cracked my table. I broke my vase.
And she loved that. Big ass, I get that. Ooh, baby. Big ass.
So, all right, Queens and Kings. So I decided to go ahead and pick the camera up again, even though it's the same day of the chaos that you guys seen in the last vlog. I decided to just go ahead and continue because I need to go ahead and get my living room together. But I want to show you pretty much what I have done to the bar area. Now, what was the cause of it is because the canvas that's over the bar, I was moving the little faux spider web, or whatever you want to call it, the net or whatever. I was moving that. I lift one end, the other end, the right end of it, and this part came off and it knocked the vase down, and all I could do was just scream. I couldn't even try to catch nothing or anything. I was just hoping that it had fell on the flowers and pretty much broke the fall, not literally, but yeah. So when I looked and seen that the glass is on the table as well as on the floor and stuff, I just screamed and cried. I just hope I can find another vase. Hopefully Z Gallery still have those in stock, because that's the biggest one. I do have a medium and a small one. The big one and the small one came from Z Gallery. The medium size came from Amazon. So I'm gonna just try my luck and see can I find another one. But anyways, welcome back, Queens and Kings. I just jumped right into it. I don't remember saying nothing to you all, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. Hopefully that my spirit change, okay? But let me show you guys pretty much what I have done to the bar area. Okay, so this is pretty much what we have done over here. I actually do like it, but it doesn't lift my spirit at all. So, but I just want to show you guys what I came up with, because I had to clean this mirror up still, regardless. And I still have the rest of the stuff behind me. So yeah. But I put this little spooky sign in the tree here just to bring a little bit of the, you know what? I'm gonna just leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it as that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. A little idea popped up in my head right quick. But I just swapped the books in the storage bins around, and then I just add some little change on here. Just turn the books a little bit, just give a little more contrast to it. And up under there, in the little pocket carry jar, I put some of the little bones and skulls, head and things in there. And look, we got a skeleton hanging on the champagne, baby. And then I put the little shot glasses here. Up on top here, I just basically moved this tray from over there and put a pumpkin with a crown on it, of course. And we just got these little faux shot glasses, the chain and stuff still on there. We got a skull hanging off this champagne bottle here too as well. I didn't put that on it, I just didn't want to do too much. And just a little spider there, little spooky glam. And pretty much I used my DIY little dead flower bed that I pretty much made last year, I think. And I put this eat and drink and scary sign there because I have one in orange, but I was like, no, I don't want nothing in orange other than pretty much the lights. So I use these little, I can't think what these things called though. But I use those as a tea light holder, as you all can see. So I just put a real tea light holder in there with some tea lights because those are real candles burning. And these DIY candle holders here that I actually made too as well. And I just finished, just kept the little drape on. I went on and moved the glass and everything that I had over there. I just knew my table had cracked. That's what I was between my table and my vase. That's what the teals came about. But thank God the table is not cracked no more than what it is down there. So yeah, so this is pretty much how it all looked. And I kept this up here. What had happened, I kept this on up here and just draped it like that because this is what I was trying to pretty much do. Move it some and the canvas fell and broke everything. Queens and Kings, so I made some changes over here to the bar area, as you all can see. I took the little shot glasses from down there. It just was too much, and I pretty much put everything over here. So just I don't know how to explain it, but I just like how the crowded look when I see someone in a bar or someone, it's just like it's imperfect pretty much. Because for me, it felt like my bar was just perfect. Like, that's not pretty much how nobody bar look, but you always see like their stuff is all crowded up together, and it just looks so cute when it's just in a cluster. So I pretty much went that route there. I put the candles over here. I brought my hookah, and I pretty much changed this area around. I add this little silver pumpkin here that came from Z Gallery, and I brought the apothecary jar up. So basically just leave 2 down there and be like 3 different vignettes up here. It just was doing a little too much, and then I took the stuff down that pretty much got me in a funk. I'm still debating with it because it kind of look a little blah now. So I don't know, maybe I just put some on the side to drape on each side of it. I don't know, but I'm still fighting with it. So I don't know, but this is the look for now. I just may go back and put that drape back up there because now it just looks so plain now since I have all this going on down here. I don't know. We have to see. I don't know. So what you guys think? The first look, second look? Well, the first look was basically where it all failed, which I was going for that look because my vase. But I'm not going to bring it up anymore. I don't want to hurt my feelings anymore. The second look or this look right here. So it's basically out of the second and third look. I don't know. Maybe it'll change again, child, when I go to cleaning up or something. I know how I do, but I don't know. Something about it. I just really think it's because of that. Let's turn the light off to see how I look over here because I swear these lights are a vibe, honey. Now, when I turn the lights off, I'm fine with it. So maybe it's just probably that overhead light or whatever. I don't know, but it's a vibe to me with these lights. Y'all get these lights. I have them down in my Amazon storefront. Check them out. Get them for yourself. I really like them. It's better than the battery to me because you'll keep buying the batteries over and over. I'd rather keep charging it other than buying. So, yeah. But this is the look for now. So that's going to be it, Queens and Kings. I do feel a little bit better. I feel better than what I was feeling before. So, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy decorating with me. I'm not even sure if I'm going to make this a separate videos type thing. I don't even know what it's going to be. But I hope you guys enjoy because now I got it out of the way and I feel good about it that I got it out of the way. I did some cleaning, some changing around, and y'all know that always make me feel good. Even though my baby gave me his little scratch little ball, his little thing he got from school. Because I didn't tell you guys that Andre, if you see like this little round circle on his shirt or whatever, he actually got a little principal award for being kind and helpful around the school and his teachers and stuff like that. So he was very excited about that. Very excited about it. He was able to go into the little box or whatever, pull out different types of treats and stuff. So he got this little stress ball thing. Well, he called it stress ball, but it's some type of little gooey thing that he have sticking all over the house. And that's what he had handed to me when this happened. He was like, "Huh, Mom, you can have my stress ball." He's such a sweet little boy, so I can understand why he got that reward and stuff. So he was very excited about that. But that was Friday when he got that. So yeah, but anyways, Queens and Kings, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here because tomorrow I'm really just gonna rest. Probably pretty much make the thumbnail for tomorrow's video, but you guys pretty much won't be getting this until probably Wednesday anyway. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it because I'm really gonna rest, and I know why I'm tired. It just really dawned on me that I worked 12 days this week and I have not took a break yet. I've been getting up and getting up and getting up. So tomorrow I'm really gonna rest. I'm definitely gonna rest. Because I gotta go back, and then after the week after the end of this month, I pretty much gonna be doing another 12 because I got an officer taking some days off and I ain't got no officers to work. So that's pretty much where I come in and fill in at. So yeah, but anyways, I'm rambling, I'm talking, and I will talk to you Queens and Kings in the next one. Remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall, and continue to be royal.